There's a quiet kind of tension that comes from insisting life should be different than it is. Not louder conflict, not dramatic struggle, just a steady inner argument that never seems to end. Welcome to the quote for today. I'm glad you're here. Today's quote speaks directly to that inner friction and points toward a calmer way of meeting what's already in front of you. The mind finds peace when you stop arguing with reality. This quote reminds us that much of our mental unrest doesn't come from what's happening, but from our resistance to it. We replay events. We judge outcomes. We mentally push back against facts that won't change just because we disagree with them. That ongoing argument keeps the mind unsettled. Arguing with reality is exhausting because it has no resolution. Reality doesn't negotiate, it simply is. When we stop fighting it, something loosens. The mind no longer has to defend a position or replay the same thoughts. Energy returns. Perspective widens. Acceptance here isn't passive, it's practical. It means seeing clearly what's happening without adding a second layer of struggle. From that clarity, responses become wiser. Peace doesn't arrive because circumstances improve, but because the inner battle ends. Here's one gentle way to work with this today. Notice one situation you keep mentally pushing against. Instead of arguing with it, try naming it exactly as it is. See what settles when resistance softens. Carry that awareness with you as the day unfolds. You don't have to like reality to meet it calmly. Peace often begins when the argument stops. And here are two related thoughts to sit with. Acceptance quiets the mind, and peace begins where resistance ends. Until we meet again tomorrow, let's make it a great day.